Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. So there is a step-by-step guide. Just launch it, and after you will just have to move in the right bottom corner option portfolio, and you will just have three options. You will just have connect the wallet directly, or add transaction manually, or connect Binance account. So you just have to also just select your portfolio. After I will just select it the add transaction manually, and right now you just have to select any of coin. I will just select the Bitcoin and just enter any of price and just tap add transaction, or you will just also have to option to sell, transfer, or buy. So I will be just on buy, so just tap on it, add transaction. So in this way you will just have to withdraw money from coin market cap, or you will just also have to trade with the coin market cap in the diamonds options. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.